Welcome to Rust ownership. This is one of Rust's most important concepts. Ownership is how Rust manages memory without a garbage collector. Every value in Rust has exactly one owner, and when that owner goes out of scope, the memory is automatically freed. We'll learn the ownership rules, how to clone and copy values, and how to borrow values with references. Rust achieves memory safety without garbage collection through ownership. Rule 1. Each value in Rust has exactly one owner at a time. Rule 2. When the owner goes out of scope, the value is automatically dropped. Let's create a file to demonstrate these ownership rules. We create a string called s1 with the value hello. When we assign s1 to s2, ownership moves. s1 is no longer valid. Trying to use s1 after the move would cause a compile error. Only s2 can be used now because it owns the string. Variables inside curly braces have their own scope. When the scope ends, S3 is dropped and its memory is freed. Clone creates a deep copy of data on the heap, like strings. Copy is automatic for simple types stored on the stack, like integers. Let's see both clone and copy in action. We create s1 and then call clone to make a complete copy. Now both s1 and s2 are valid. Each owns its own copy of the data. We can print both strings because they're independent. Integers implement the copy trait automatically. When we assign x to y, x is copied, not moved. References let you borrow a value without taking ownership. Use the ampersand symbol to create a reference. Let's create functions that borrow values instead of owning them. Calculate underscore length takes a reference to a string, not the string itself. Add underscore world takes a mutable reference, so it can modify the string. In main, we create s.len and pass a reference with ampersand. After the function call, s.len is still valid because we only borrowed it. For mutable borrowing, we need a mutable variable and ampersand mut. The function modifies s2 through the mutable reference. After borrowing ends, the original owner still has the modified value. Excellent work! You've learned Rust's ownership system. You understand that each value has one owner, values are dropped when owners go out of scope, and you can use clone to make copies or references to borrow values. This system prevents memory leaks and data races at compile time. In the next lesson, we'll explore lifetimes, which help Rust ensure references are always valid. Keep practicing.